Guys, just took the timing belt down on this 2003 Kia Sorento. I know some of you guys a little afraid of getting into the water pump. Pretty simple. What you want to do first is you want to take out the 4 bolts that are on this bracket. 1, 2, 3, and 4 over here. So you can take this bracket out of there. It slips out once you get the bolts out. Then you got on the top of this housing, there's one right here, one here, and one in the back right there. You might need to use a little swivel head, 12mm to get those out, and disconnect your sensor right there. Once you get that out, and one hose clamp here, and one hose clamp right here, then you can take this guy, and he'll pull right out of there. So it just sits on there, and then has a pipe right there with an O-ring on it that it slides onto. Next thing you want to do is you got a 10mm bolt that goes in right here. You need to loosen that up, and then down on the water pump you have one bolt there, right here, and right there that you need to loosen up. And also there's a little plate here. I couldn't get this plate out, so I just loosened the bolts on it. One right there, and one down right here. And I also took another plate off that was on this side. It's really easy, it comes off. Once you get that off, then you can pull on the water pump. The whole thing pulls out, just like that. Then you can just change this housing off the top of the water pump, change your O-rings on the other parts, throw it back together. Hope you enjoy the video. Dr. T signing out.